And to complete our set of Dorado for tonight, everybody knows her. Kung kailangan niyo ng driving license, she is the rightful person to contact with. In fact, your woman of the world, take one lamang sa kanyang driving license. It's all because of this lady driving instructress. An influencer, a champion singer, the Imelda Papin of UAE, Ma'am Nora Maniguez. Gusto niyo ba ng sample mamaya ng mga classic Imelda Papin songs? And syempre makakasama natin our teen idol champion, my daughter Atasha. She won't be sitting as Dorado, but she is part of our technical to be joined by another singer. Thank you so much.